Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5079391 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. Now for this you can go to Windows Update in Windows Settings, and then over here you can see pause update option. Hit pause over here. Now once the update is paused, click on resume updates, and now you can try to install. Now still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find app readiness over here, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then again you have to make a right click on background intelligent transfer service, click on restart. Now find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back to Windows settings, go to Windows Update. If you see retry option over here, hit retry and then you can check. Still not working, then run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command and then paste it, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. And once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. And on this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5079391 over here. And then click on search. The link is provided in the video description. Let me change the language. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, then click on WinVer run command. And here you can see in my case the version is 25H2. So check your Windows version, then open Windows settings, go to system, go to about option, and then check your system type. So for me the system type is 64-bit operating system. So check your system type, and then for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download. And then click on KB5079391. Click on it. And then you can run this file. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings. Go to Windows Update. Go to advanced option over here, scroll down, go to recovery option, and here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. And then you can run this exe file. Once the download is complete, you can run the exe file, and then you have to click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file, click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. This will take some time, and once the installation is done, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.